This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the peanut base so the balls hold shape. Measure 1/2 cups peanut butter, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup graham cracker crumbs into a bowl. Mix until even. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. This controls moisture and flavor. Once mixed, press a bit to test firmness. If sticky, add a tablespoon more crumbs. Chill the dough 15 to 20 minutes so it firms. Now you shape and preset the balls to ensure smooth coating. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of dough per ball, or use a small cookie scoop for uniform size. Roll each portion into a tight sphere. Tightness reduces cracking later. Lay balls on parchment with about 1-inch spacing and pop the tray in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. This firms the centers so the coating adheres cleanly. Make sure they're cold but not frozen solid before you coat. Finish by coating and setting the peanut butter balls so they look professional. Melt about 8 ounces of chocolate or candy coating. If using real chocolate, temper lightly for snap and shine. Dip a chilled ball with a fork, lift, tap off excess, then place back on parchment. Once all are coated, chill until set. If the chocolate becomes grainy or seizes, warm gently and add 1 teaspoon neutral oil to restore smoothness. This fixes texture without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.